Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topics in CSS Flexbox. Use the flex grow property to expand items. The opposite of flex ring is the flex grow property. Recall that flex rings controls the size of items when the container shrinks. The flex grow property controls the size of items when the parent container expands. Using a similar example from the last challenge, if one item has a flex grow value of 1 and the other has flex grow value of 3, the one with value of 3 will grow 3 times faster as much as the other. And in this case, let's see, add the CSS property flex grow to both box 1 and box 2. Give box 1 value of 1 and box 2 value of 2. So why isn't anything displayed here? It should work. Let's flex grow to 1 and flex grow to 2, and it will grow in the respective. You can see as we increase the screen size, the area covered is also increased in the same proportion. Means it's the opposite of flex shrink, where 2 times means it will 2 times shrink, and means the area covered is 2 part here of red, since we give value of 2, and 1 part of blue. And if we remove this, then in that case both boxes are not seen here, so we have to provide values so that we can display it. Okay, and in case let's see the test cases. The box 1 element should have the flex grow property set to value of 1, and the box 2 element should have the flex grow property set to value of 2. So in this case, value of 2 in case of red. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.